Alright folks, here we go. We are going to give this a try. This is first run of doing this first person on headshot. I do not know how this is going to go, but we're going to do it. I am going to start with the hidden spook. This is in Blue Herring because it is the golden hour. As said, it is the golden hour for many things. Fishing, making films, getting really pissed about unhooking lures off your goddamn rod. This is just unbelievable. It's following the day that I had. Really, it's just, this is why I'm down here with just this damn headset thing and a few minutes to fish. But yesterday I learned this really neat trick. I can fish these waters in the water. Now this is going to be difficult because I got to be able to see what I'm doing, and so do you. So what I'll do, this will also kind of be a tutorial on how to use Zero Spook. What you do, see now, if you just drag it along the surface, where's my rod? You see my red area? Now, if you just drag it along the surface, this is difficult to adjust to. You're gonna have to bear with me here. If you pull it, it just looks like a floating turd, right? So what you do, you give a little tick, 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 and it starts going side to side in this beautiful action called walking the dog. So pretty irresistible to the bass. Let's take a shot here. Alright, lower this out. Normally I let it set for a minute and tick 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 tick, normally stop. They hit it on the stop very often, if they're going to hit it. That was a weird cast. I'm on the backside of those boats here. Now I'm watching this through the video. You know, the video screen, so it's very blurry to me. It'll take a minute to get adjusted to fishing like this, but hey, I've gotten adjusted to fishing, with being shot in the hand. Yeah. I mean, there are people that are, in wheelchairs and stuff, and walking around on walkers and crutches, and stilts and stuff. They turn out to do pretty damn well for themselves. They can figure shit out. So can I. See, let's get a little closer here. Well, it was a little chillier today without that sun bearing down on me. Dude, I call this Boathouse Row. I don't know if you know Philadelphia. That's about the area I was born and raised in, about an hour and a half out. Certainly know what Boathouse Row is because of that. Wish this set had ability to turn a little sideways at the time, because we could then both see the potential action. And water ain't bad once you get used to it. Shit. Right on the stop. Right on the stop. Whoop. Okay. So there's nothing under those boats that want it, so do. I've had fish follow us all the way up to the boat, rod tip, whatever you want to call, whatever you're in, whatever. Come on now. Oh, you're playing ugly with my tip, ain't you? No, okay, there we are. Alright. Now, what we're gonna do, start fan casting. Because it is, without a doubt, top water time. I just started standing in the water fishing here, so I think sometimes when I'm using the spook, sometimes my rod tip hits the water. Any other movement, I get to see if there ain't nothing on my lure again, right? You gotta check for scum. Other props of water on the surface. It sounds like another fish breaking. So when they see this, maybe they think it's dinner time. Just not pausing right now. Let's see if it makes any difference. Again, I just started fishing at the surface yesterday. Rib did pretty damn good, considering that 3-foot northern I hooked into. Ultimately, didn't like my. Here we are. Here we are. Now, when you're fishing top water, your instinct is to hook at the splash. But you can't do that. You gotta wait for the weight. I gotta flip this up real quick so I can see. I do not want to get 6 hooks in me. I'm gonna spin you around. We're grabbing body gills here. But, you know what? I should have brought my goddamn there. But, hey, it's a nice little bass. Yeah, fun. Especially when you're right at the surface. Alright, sweetie. Close up your mouth. I'm back home. Thank you. You can, unless you're in a river or something, don't worry about putting your rod in the water. They are indeed waterproof. The oil and the grease on it, all waterproof. Of course, your line is waterproof. The nylon or graphite or metal, all waterproof. It's designed to be fished out in the rain when you're going to get soaked. So, don't worry about If you need, put a tether on it if you need to. You know, work it backwards when you get fish. You get it off. I fish with all barbless. I pinch all my barbs because I feel if you're sport fishing, that you have no reason oh, and see, sometimes that happens. And that was a better fish too. That felt good. That felt like a real good fish. Probably a pound and a half too. I had the reckon, which I do, because then you get it in hand. But see, this is top water time here. This is the good stuff. Stalking these margins, I know. I know these are the margins of the McMansions, but hey, still the margins. Still top water time. Still learning how to use this gear, but I am fishing directly through it, so that's something I did not know I'd be able to do. But I got broken up there. Tend to ramble and get caught up in different side quests and all. As I was saying, when you're fishing top water, that the instinct is to set the hook as soon as you see that splash. You gotta wait for the weight. When you feel it is when you set the hook, not when you see it. And it's fun, man. Fishing top water, it's my favorite, and with a spook as well, because they just can't resist these damn things. I gotta get me a sip of water, and I gotta grab me my what you call it? I get forceps. Be right back.